Welcome to Lighthouse Worship. My name is Hugo, and in this video we're going to be learning the brand new song just came out, Make Heaven Crowded by Josiah Queen. This was requested by subscribers. So yeah, let's get into this video. We're going to be starting the song on our capo number 3. We're going to be playing our C shapes. See if you guys can guess what key this is. It's original key 3 to 1. It's going to be key of E flat. In case you knew that or not, I don't know, but this is E flat. Yeah, capo 3, C shapes, okay? A very easy song, not too difficult. Heard an atheist say, no one really believes, 'cause if it was good news, they tell everyone they see. So that is your verse 1. Very short, I know, but we'll get into pre-chorus right now. Very simple. We're gonna be starting off with our with our A minor chord, into our F, and then into our C, and then into our G chord. I like to play my G chord like this. Strumming, finger style, I mean. You can either single strum. Heard an atheist say, no one really believes. 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4. You can play single strumming, or you can do it like the way the song is. You use your 3 fingers for your finger style. We're playing our A minor, playing your bass, which is going to be your second to the top string. Yeah, because that first one is going to be muted, so you'll go for that second one. So you play your A minor to your F, to your C, to your G. A minor. So you're plucking these bottom 2, the B and the G string. You're going to be plucking those together with the bottom 2 fingers. And then with your thumb, you're going to be doing your bass. So bass, bass, bottom 2 strings. Or second to the bottom, right? F, to your C, to your G. You don't have to do the hammer on. A is a G sus, but it's up to you. You don't have to do it. So A minor, F, C, I'm done being afraid to speak of the name of the one that has saved my soul. No, I'm not ashamed to follow the way far past my comfort zone. So that's your pre-chorus right there. Same strumming pattern, same finger style, I mean. Again, if you don't feel comfortable with the finger style, you could do single strumming. It's totally fine. 3, 4, just keep the tempo. Okay? But if you got the finger style, it's gonna start with your F to your C, to your A minor, to your G chord, and it repeats. You'll play that twice. F, C, A minor. I'm done being afraid to speak to their C of the one A minor, my soul, G, to the F, not ashamed, I'll follow the C. A minor past my comfort zone, right? To your G. You're gonna be just doing that single at the end of that pre-chorus. You stop playing, you come in with your chorus. Make heaven crowded, billion souls, till every nation and tribe, every tongue will come home. I'm about it. Call me a fool. I don't care what they say. I will shout it. Make heaven crowded. So that is your chorus. It's a little high range, of course. If it's a little bit too high, you can also move it down. Totally up to you. Or if you're a girl and if it's too low, you can also move it up. Completely up to you guys. For this part, we're going to be going ahead and doing single strum throughout the whole chorus. So the singer leads into it. So make heaven A minor, billions of souls to your F. Till every nation and tribe, every tongue. So C to your G. On tongue, you're gonna play your G. I'm about it, A minor. Call me a fool to your F. I don't care what they see, right? Say I will shout to your G chord. Make heaven crowded. And then you go into your post-chorus with the O's. Pretty straightforward for the chorus. Single strumming, moving on. Okay, so for this next part, post-chorus, I'm gonna explain it to you guys. So once you finish your chorus, you're gonna go ahead and go into these O's. Full strumming, make heaven crowded. Oh, 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 oh. Very short, very quick, and just short and sweet, right? So at the last part of the chorus, make heaven A minor, crowded, oh, F, oh, 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 and then straight into verse. Strumming pattern is going to be down, down, up, down, up, down, down. Same as usual, guys. So he always does this one, is a down, down, up, down, up, down, down. Slowing it down. Starts with your A minor, F. And then you're going right into your verse. So for verse 2, it's pretty much the same as verse 1, so I'm not going to go over it. I will go over the second pre-chorus though. It's a slight change on the second pre-chorus. He's doing a slightly different finger style. So yeah, so for that pre-chorus, like I'm saying, it's slightly different strumming pattern. It's gonna be a bass, and then instead of doing, you're gonna do, okay, so down, up on these on the B and G string, down on the bass note. So you start off with your F, right? Pre-chorus, it starts with the F. I also like to play the F with this open, your middle finger open rather than having it closed. Right? So it's the bass, up on the G and B, and then you do bass twice. And then your C chord, and then your A minor to your G. I'm done being afraid to speak of the name of the one that has saved my soul. It's a bit hard to sing and play that at the same time. So if you guys want to do single strumming, you can. I'm done being afraid to speak of the name of the one who has saved my soul. Totally up to you, but that's the strumming pattern. The down, up, up, down, down. But with your fingers, right? It's kind of like the strumming, but you switching it into a finger style form, if that makes sense. So a slight change on that last pre-chorus. You're gonna go, oh, 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 make heaven crowded, oh, to your E minor, okay? The last part of that second post-chorus, okay? With the O's. You go into your E minor right before going into the bridge. That's the only thing that changes. Everything else pretty much the same. And now going into the bridge. Alright guys, so for the bridge, it's gonna be a little difficult. I'll try my best. I might botch it a little bit, but I'm done being afraid to speak of the name of the one that has saved my soul. No, I'm not ashamed, I'll follow the way far past my comfort zone. The harvest is due and the workers are few. If it's just me, I'll do it alone. I'll be your hands, your feet, anywhere that you lead, till the day that you souls. And then you go into your chorus, right? He sings on a lower octave for the chorus. And yeah, that bridge is very difficult to sing, you guys. You gotta really listen to the song to try to get it. He goes real high up and then he goes real low down. So try your best. It's gonna be starting off with your F chord for the bridge. So single strumming for the first part. I'm done being afraid to the C. Speak of the name to the A minor of the one that has saved my soul to your G. Okay? And then you go back to your F. No, I'm not ashamed. I'll follow the way. C. Far past my A minor comfort zone to your G. And then you start with strumming on the second half right here. The harvest is due and the workers are few. Same progression. Heaven crowded. It goes back to the. It doesn't go to single strumming though. It stays like heaven crowded. In souls. He just plays a little bit more calmer, but you're keeping that same strumming pattern, okay? Singing calmer, strumming a little bit calmer as well. In souls, every nation, tribe, every tongue. Thank you so much for watching to this point, you guys. These videos are not easy to make. They take a lot of time, they take a lot of effort and energy, so please leave a like and subscribe, you guys. It really does mean so much to me, especially when you guys comment that this helped you guys, that this was a blessing. Like, y'all don't understand. That's like the motivation I need to continue making these videos. It really does mean a lot. So thank you guys for sticking around. Also, be sure to check out the chord chart that I made. It is in the description and my Etsy page. I basically made a chord chart with all the capo positions that you might need, the number system if you're trying to learn that, and also different forms of playing your you know, G shapes or E shapes or C shapes, right? Those are the ones I have on there. Go ahead and check it out. It's in the description. And thank you guys so much for watching to the end. I hope you guys have a blessed day. I hope this made your day. You know, I really hope you guys are worshiping God and living your life dedicated for Him. You know, let's make heaven crowded. Like, let's not just sing these songs. Let's actually live them out. Let's actually do what the songs are saying. You know, let's not just be listeners of the word, but doers, you know, as the Bible says. So thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace out.